eggs baked in hash browns. The secret of a great hash brown are the potatoes. I prefer using really nice, waxy potatoes. They cook better, but more importantly, they hold themselves together. We're not going to slice the onion or the potatoes, we're actually going to grate them. The potatoes get really nice and crispy. I mean, seriously crispy. Now, the onion. That way you get that nice balance of that onion flavour running through every little shard of potato. Season with salt, pepper, olive oil, and cayenne. Give that a really good mix through. And then squeeze all that water out. And look at all that juice we squeezed out of there. Really important. The more liquid you remove, the crispier your hash browns will be. Nice large pan, put that on. Once the pan's hot, pour in a good glug of olive oil. That sound confirms how important it is to have your pan nice and hot. So it seals the grated potato and onion together. So take the spoon, pat it down. What we're trying to do now is get it really nice and compact. Going round the outside of the pan with little flecks of butter. You just slip them down the back gently. And that gets the onions caramelised. Here's a great tip for turning your hash browns over quick and easy. Take a plate, place it on top, and just flip it over, and then slide it back in very quickly. You see the colour we've got on there now. Got that nice, crispy texture of the potato. I'm going to use the hash brown as a bed for my baked eggs. Crack in your eggs nice and gently. Just a little sprinkling of the cayenne to make the eggs a little bit spicy. Then into a preheated oven for 6 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, onto my bacon, and I'm giving it a classic American twist. Now, one thing I could never get my head around when I first started eating lots of American breakfast was the sweetness from the bacon. I've grown up to love that combination of smoky sweet flavours, and it's so easy. Pan on and simply heat olive oil, brown sugar, salt and pepper, and butter. Bacon in, and as it cooks, it becomes irresistibly caramelised and golden brown. Turn off the gas, and my glazed bacon is absolutely ready. Beautiful. Now, my hash browns and baked eggs are ready. Wow. Get your spatula underneath there. Onto your plate. And that bacon sits beautifully on top of the baked eggs and that hash brown underneath, and you can see why the best breakfasts in the world are always in America. This is an all-American superhero of a breakfast. Eggs baked in hash browns with glazed bacon.